William Henry, Hank Green II, born May 5, 1980, is an American vlogger, science communicator, entrepreneur, author, internet producer, and musician. He is known for producing the YouTube channel Vlogbrothers, where he and his older brother, author John Green, regularly upload videos, as well as for creating and hosting the educational YouTube channels Crash Course and SciShow. He has also advocated for and organized social activism, created and hosted a number of other YouTube channels and podcasts, released music albums, and amassed a large following on TikTok. With his brother John, Hank co-created VidCon, the world's largest conference about online videos, and the Project for Awesome, an annual online charity event, as well as the now-defunct conferences NerdCon, Stories, focused on storytelling, and PodCon, focused on podcasts. He is the co-creator of the Lizzie Bennett Diaries, 2012-2013, a web series adaptation of Pride and Prejudice in the style of video blogs. He is also the co-founder of merchandise company DFTBA Records, crowdfunding platform Subbable, game company DFTBA Games, and online video production company Pemberley Digital, which produces video blog adaptations of classic novels in the public domain. Green is the founder of the environmental technology blog EcoGeek, which evolved into Complexly, an online video and audio production company of which he is the CEO. Green also hosts the podcasts Dear Hank and John and Delete This with his brother and wife, respectively. Green's debut novel, An Absolutely Remarkable Thing, was published on September 25, 2018. Its sequel A Beautifully Foolish Endeavor was published on July 7, 2020. Both novels debuted as New York Times bestsellers.